Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn names of animals in English, Hindi, Tamil, Telugu and Kannada. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. If you like this video, hit a like and share with your friends and family members. So let's get started. Number 1, cow. Now let's learn this in Hindi, Gai. Now in Tamil, Pasumadu. In Telugu, Avu. In Kannada, Hasu. I repeat, Hasu. Let's move on to the next one, buffalo. Let's learn this in Hindi, Bhans. In Hindi. Now in Tamil, Yerumai. In Tamil. In Telugu, Gede. And in Kannada, Yemme, which means buffalo. Now let's move on to the next one, goat. In Hindi, Bakri. I repeat, Bakri. In Tamil, Aadu. Aadu in Tamil. Telugu, Meka. Meka in Telugu. And in Kannada, Meke. Just a slight difference in the pronunciation, Meke. Next one, rabbit. In Hindi, Khargosh. I repeat, Khargosh. In Tamil, Muyal. Muyal in Tamil. Telugu, Kundelu. Kundelu in Telugu. And in Kannada, Mola. Mola, which means rabbit. Next one, lion. Let's learn this in Hindi. Sher, which means lion in Hindi. In Tamil, Singam. I repeat, Singam. In Telugu, Simham. Simham. And in Kannada, Simha. Just a slight difference in the pronunciation. Let's move on to the next one, elephant. In Hindi, Hathi. I repeat, Hathi. In Tamil, Yanai. Yanai. In Telugu, Yenugu. Yenugu. And in Kannada, Aane, which means elephant. Let's move on to the next one, horse. Let's learn this in Hindi. Ghoda. In Hindi, Ghoda. Tamil, Kudirai. I repeat, Kudirai. In Telugu, Gurram. I repeat, Gurram. And in Kannada, Kudure. Kudure in Kannada. Let's move on to the next one, dog. In Hindi, Kutta. I repeat, Kutta. In Tamil, Nai. Nai in Tamil. Now in Telugu, Kukka. I repeat, Kukka. Now in Kannada, Nai. In Kannada, Nai. Let's move on to the next one, cat. In Hindi, Billi. Billi. In Tamil, Poonai, which means cat. Now in Telugu, Pilli. I repeat, Pilli. And in Kannada, Bekku. Let's move on to the next one, deer. In Hindi, Hiran. I repeat, Hiran. In Hindi. Tamil, Man. Man. Telugu, Jinka. Jinka in Telugu. And in Kannada, Jinke. Jinke in Kannada for deer. Next one, fox. In Hindi, Lomdi. I repeat, Lomdi. In Tamil, Nari. In Tamil, Nari. Telugu, Nakka. Nakka. And in Kannada, Nari. Let's switch on to the next one, ox. In Hindi, Bail. In Tamil, Yerudu. In Telugu, Yeddu. And in Kannada, Yettu. I repeat, Yettu in Kannada. Now next one, monkey. Let's learn this in Hindi. Bandar. I repeat, Bandar. In Tamil, Kurangu. Kurangu. In Telugu, Koti. Koti. And the same in Kannada, Koti, which means monkey in English. Next one, snake. In Hindi, Samp. In Hindi, Samp. In Tamil, Pambu. Pambu. Telugu, Pamu. Pamu. And in Kannada, Havu. I repeat, Havu. Let's move on to the next one, tiger. Let's learn this in Hindi. Bagh, which means tiger in Hindi. Tamil, Puli. I repeat, Puli. In Telugu, Puli. The same as in Tamil. And in Kannada, Huli. I repeat, Huli. Next one, donkey. Let's learn this in Hindi. Gada. I repeat, Gada. For donkey. In Tamil, Kaludai. In Telugu, Gadida. I repeat, Gadida. And in Kannada, Katte. I repeat, Katte. So how was today's lesson? I hope you would have enjoyed watching video and you would have learned something new. If yes, then please do comment me. For more such interesting videos, kindly subscribe if you are new to my channel. If you like this video, hit a like and share with your friends and family members. Keep watching my channel videos regularly and learn to speak. That's all for today. Let's catch up with next wonderful video with another fascinating topic. Till then, it's your channel host signing off. Bye-bye and thanks for watching. See you all again.